minds of erudition have to recognize my ingenuity.
An ally has been slain.
Even this. What an eye-opener.
You have slain an enemy. Double kill. Well played.
Take a dirt nap. Huh. 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 This is a stick.
Killing spree. Launch attack. Ready. Initiate retreat.
Gago.
Executed.
Black
Battle
screen.
spell is ready. An enemy has been slain. An enemy
Black
has
screen
been
ba ako,
slain.
guys?
Launch attack. Okay. Battle spell is ready.
Isn't starting over part of the fun?
An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Ang ina naman, nakakatamad mag-ano? Nakakatamad mag-live.
Ally has been slain. Killing spree.
Wala to guys, nag-rappel din ako eh.
Your team destroyed a turret. Has been slain. Shut down. Enemy double kill.
Patay na naman kayo.
Just stand back and watch me work.
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Understood.
Launch attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
The name's Ixia. Remember it.
Initiate retreat. Our turret has been destroyed.
I'm coming for ya. Let's show 'em we mean
Launch
business.
attack.
The more they look down on me, the more motivated I get. The more motivated.
Ally has slain more. An
Not so
enemy
tough
launch
now.
attack. Ally has been slain. Launch attack. Enemy double kill.
Ayun, ubos ang creeps. Tangina.
I don't play by the rules.
Ayun, ubos ang creeps. Tangina. Na wala akong ultimate.
I'm coming for ya. Huh. Don't worry. This ain't
Gago!
rodeo. Nothing like a
Initiate retreat.
latest invention.
Enemy double kill. Initiate retreat. Your team destroyed
Lang, guys.
Destroyed a turret.
Patap na yung screen guys oh. Ayun nyo.
Mayhem is a great source of inspiration.
Bagong gising lang ako. Ay, gago ka! Ay!
You have been slain.
They got
Ayun
me.
na kasi. Tap tap. Nice one! Nice one!
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Sabi ni XG, nakatrio kami guys eh. Shoutout sa'yo, Cords Bow. Wait ka naman pa, ML ka pa. Anong pakialam mo? Sorry. Good morning guys.
Isn't starting over for
Our turret has been
Grind talaga.
destroyed.
The name's Ixia. Remember it.
Nabuhay! Nabuhay, Perd! Nice one.
Has been slain.
Flash na to, gago.
The more they look
Diba?
down on me,
Kunin niya
the
na yung
more
Sicilian, pre.
motivated I get.
You have slain an enemy.
Sicilian na lang yan, tol. Sicilian tayo. Din.
Take a dirt nap.
Tangina, saluhin niyo lahat, pre. Nice one!
An enemy has been slain.
Tangina. Tapos na, pre.
Enemy dominated.
Nyari, gogi.
Shut down. Killing.
Saan na lang yan, Perd? Takba mo na. Nice one. Gago. Bagang! Wala, Perds.
Initiate retreat.
Punit sa gatot. Kaya nga eh. Thank you, Cyrus.
Retreat.
Naman muna niya. Oo, men.
An ally has slain Lord. Ally has
Ito namatay.
Launch
Puto mo yan, pre.
attack.
Dito.
Nothing like a good battlefield to
Slain an enemy. Shut down.
Gago, alam na this.
Stay down.
Andito ka sa sulok lang, pre, ah. Ay, yung Sicilian, pre.
Ally has been slain.
Tangina mo, makulit ka. Ah!
This is a stick-up.
Morning, Foreman. Morning. Buhos tayo ngayon, pre. Sicilian kasi, pre, problema dito eh.
Here comes the fireworks.
Gago ah!
They got me.
Wala to, guys. Mali. Post tayo Sicilian, pre. Sicilian talaga problema dito, pre. Hindi naman pag ano.
Initiate retreat.
Ay, Sicilian. Out na, gago. Out na, gagi.
Ally has
Out na, uy.
been slain.
Let's get back in the saddle.
Sa tama lang, boy. Isang matikabo lang, pre.
A new gadget to take.
Isang matikabo lang, pre. Isang matikabo lang, pre. Saan ka na, pre? Ulta, ano yung ano dito, pre? Pipigiran ako nito, pre. Nice one. Ano yun? Nabangga sa torre. Ala to, guys. Hindi nadala sa akin, namangga sa torre. Naumpog, pre.
Battle spell in cooldown.
Ala to. Oh my. Hindi ako malayo, pre. Nauntog doon sa torre, oh.
I don't play by the rules.
Hindi nga pwede lumapit, eh. Ano yun? Naumpog dito, pre. Dito, pre, oh. Naumpog dito. Kaya hindi nakabalik.
Don't worry. This
Ala
ain't
to,
first
guys.
rodeo. Initiate retreat. Our turret under attack. Launch attack. Initiate retreat.
What an eye-opener. An enemy has been slain. Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Kago! Tangina, hindi na nakapagbayad.
Enemy triple kill.
Wala to guys. GG, pagago. Nag-cooldown yung utak ko, pre. Nag-cooldown yung utak ko. Hindi pa makapag-skill, pre. Bibili pala ako. Nag-lock, tol. Lamig kasi. Kagigising ko lang kasi. Tingnan mo, pre. Talo ata to, guys. Oh!
Enemy killing. Okay.
Si Siljan nga problema dito. Tangina, GG po. Kanina pa kami lamang. Tuloy ba PK mo? Wala, bukas pa tayo PK ko, guys.
Under attack.
Tangina, hindi umabot. GG. Window shopping.
Defeat.
Ala, to. Medyo okay tayo dun, ah. Oo nga. Lala! Sa akin. Wala guys, oh. Wala akong win rate dito, guys. Forma, nalo na tayo. Sige. Naka guys. Ano kami? Nag-vlog utak por. Sa akin yan. Wala to. May frame na batang mo lang. Wala ka sa akin eh. Totoo ba? Ba't sa PC wala? Oo, ano? Wala pa akong studio, pre. Yun na yan, di ba? Next ano guys? Next ano tayo? Next season. Ano ko lang? Pamakacho. Chup, ano mage guys? Sino dyan? Solid mage. Solid mage. Sino dyan? Wait ako na anak. Ikaw, Bricks. Nagme-mage ka ba, Bricks? Mage nga, mage.
Simula na bumalik sa'yo. Di na maalis sa isipan ko. Maalala na iniwan mo. Tuwingan para kaibigan mo. Tulis hanggang linggo. We just become they go.
Open na.
Ito Sunday, Monday. Till meron sa Monday. Bumalik sa'yo. Di na maalis sa isipan ko. Maalala na iniwan mo. Tuwingan para kaibigan mo.
Nasaan na yun? Uy, hanggang 12 lang ako. Oo ano, solid mage ka. Mage Ling. Nangyari yun. Ala to guys. Next season guys, next season. Device, iPhone 15. Mage Ling, lupit ba din dun ah? Sino daw? Oy! Gago! Hindi pala yung kasama ko! Ala to guys. Sino yun? Kinig si Bricks? Wag gago, sayang import pre. Kasama niyo ba yan? Mage Ling to guys eh. Solid mage daw to eh. Mage yan, mage. Mage Ling. Ala to. Solid mage daw. Tangilag. Garapal. Putang inang matches dyan. 13,000. Solid do. Ling panit chu. Ano ito may big sa ano current season. Oh, solid mage to guys. Ayop ka. Hindi lang ako nahiya sa'yo. Sinong Bricks? TikToker ba to? Mga guys, matap pa ako guys. Ano oras pigay mo? Hindi yata matutuloy, baka bukas pa. Wala ng tsoko. Boss Ian, pilot lang. Pilot ka lang? May kaaway si bro. Sino? Wala siya dyan. Pilot lang, pero nagme-mage ka talaga. Ayaw makita ng may-ari. Pilot na hot na. Yun lang. Saan? Oo, Dem. Pagka may live studio na tayo guys, laruin natin ng laruin niya ng mga gusto niya. Guys, pwede magpag-gift ng ng Lion. Last live ko na dito guys. Garapal guys. Garapal chat guys. Garapal chat. Ay gago, may sasendang pa pala ako ng Gcash. Gago, sorry. Sa akin. Hindi ko pa nagtitingin ng sa akin. Sorry, hindi kita takbuhan guys ha. Hindi ko kita takbuhan. Anong oras na kasi ako nag-out eh. Sa akin. Akin yan men. Tagal ng Gcash guys. Wala to. Garapal.
Your team is banning.
Hawaii. O yan ang pansinin yung viewers guys, okay lang yan. Importante, masaya tayo. Viewers lang yan eh. Saan nandiyan kayo men? Ganyan yung mga yan eh, pagka-bebot. Pag-bebot oo eh. No? Lala. Lala. Pag naka-ano tayo guys, pag naka-live studio na tayo, bawi tayo. Kasi next, yun naka-5-1 kami. How are you dyan? Ala, ito guys. Kupal ni Shiro. Kapal yun ni Shiro. Tangina, sinave niya yung gabi natin eh. Kupal eh. Ay, gago na pick ko! W ni Shiro yun? W ni Shiro?
Always on the way.
The enemy is picking.
The night sky tells all.
Oy, thank you, Rich. Siyan ako ngayon, pre. Siyan tayo.
I fear no kraken, for I
Tangina, Esmeralda pa. Ay, thank you, Razor. Wala talaga mag-ML. Oy, Carl. Morning, boss Carl. Literal na player. Ano yun? Dapat yung isang kami, boss. Hindi lang makapag-live. Tama na nga, ano, RB. Na-mute kita. Student, tagal. Kaya nga eh. Tagal lang ano, studio, bro. Copy ko, bro. Guys, spam, guys. ML ka na lang para di ka ma-restrict. How are you too? I'm fine. Lala, anong how are you too? Gago.
5 seconds. The enemy reaches the battlefield.
Tagal nga ng studio, hindi ko alam kung bakit eh.
All troops deployed.
The
Bawal muna
battle
tayo,
has
guys.
already begun.
Wala na, nakapokus na ako, pre.
I'm not fighting alone when I don the Libra cloth. Our cosmos make the toughest arrow.
Tangina, nakagawan pa tayo.
I
Bisaya.
gratefully accept the loan of the Libra cloth. It is noble to battle for justice, but it is just as exalted.
First blood.
Lala!
Whatever it takes.
Ay, sorry.
Attack.
Sa akin.
Death doesn't seem
Expression
to
lang
want
yun, men.
me.
Kala ko papasok to eh. Tayo mo na yan, pre. Wag. Wala ka nung SME. Walas Lakers, man. Yun lang.
Request backup.
Umuwi ka na, pre. Nice one.
An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain.
I can't turn my back on my comrades and go on living.
You have slain an enemy.
Huwag na. Gago.
Taste the dragon's secret move!
Ah! Lala, men. Tangina. Manga. Sayang. Sayang, double kill sana. Okay lang, bye time. No? Laban nyo yun, guys. Turtle, sa ako. Ay, di pa rin tapos.
An enemy has been slain. Rampage. Shut down.
Not bad.
I swore to defend justice and peace. Don't ever expect me to rest on my laurels.
Yan, bawag ano? Yan, men.
An enemy has been slain.
It's weird that I don't sense many. Like a part of my body. The battle of the gods is
Try nga
now
natin tong build
ceased.
na to.
An enemy has been slain. Request backup.
For I am a knight of Athena. I can't turn my back on my comrades and go on living.
Turtle, men. Mag-aapa ako. Patayin ko na kaya
It
ako.
is noble to battle for justice, but it is just as exalted to love someone. Dragon
Lala!
ultimate seek.
Nga!
Whatever it takes.
My bad. Ginawa ko lang yun para makuha nila yung turtle. Para all one. No? Para all one. What a
Dragon
nice!
has come back from the
Nice
abyss.
one. Ginawa ko lang yung pre para para makuha nila yung turtle. Kasi naka-turtle na kami kanina eh. Para hindi sila mag
The enemy
Sayang,
has
hindi ko nakuha.
slain the turtle.
The battle of the gods is now ceased. Our cosmos may be the toughest era.
Ult is not ready.
I swore to defend justice and peace.
Nalaan itong Esme, pre. Pa-dominance na
It's
gago.
weird that I don't sense many cosmos here.
An enemy has been slain.
I'm not fighting alone when I don the Libra cloth.
An ally has been slain. Enemy double kill.
I gratefully accept the role of the Libra cloth. A tool of justice.
Sakit, men!
Launch attack! Battle spell in cooldown.
Ang Anthony na pa ito eh.
Battle spell is ready.
Sakit na, men.
I swore to defend justice and
Ally
peace
turret has been destroyed.
like a part of my body. It's weird that I don't sense many cosmos here.
Launch attack!
Taste the dragon
Slain an enemy!
I can't turn my back on my comrades and go on living.
You have been slain.
Nice one!
Slain the turtle.
Nice one! Not bad.
An enemy has been slain.
Oh, of course, turtle. Lugi pa tayo doon. Lugi pa tayo doon, man. Oh my God! Look at your face! Okay! Okay!
An enemy has been slain. Enemy rampage.
Di na guys, pure damage tayo.
It is noble to battle for justice.
Ano yun?
The battle of the gods is now ceased. Don't ever expect me to rest on my laurels.
An ally has been slain.
I gratefully accept the loan of the Libra cloth.
Ally has been slain. You have slain an enemy. Enemy killing spree. Enemy unstoppable. You have slain an enemy.
Dies out. I'm not fighting alone when I don't
Shut down. Killing spree.
justice. It's weird that I don't sense many cosmos here. I gratefully accept the loan of
Ilang
the
kill?
Libra cloth.
Your team has
Gago sumobra, pre.
An enemy has been slain. Request backup. Our turret has been destroyed. Launch attack.
For I am a knight of Athena.
Shut
Gago, nag-ululan, pre. Okay lang. Shoutout sa inyo guys. Sorry nag-ano ako, nag-focus ako sa laro. TikTok Reels. Nice one. Nice one. Diba? Naguguluhan na siya, pre. Hindi niya alam kung saan pupunta. Pwede na naman.
killing
The
spree.
dragon has come back from the abyss.
Like Kenny, like Musk, like Solana, I promise, both of us, there's a loss, there's a crater, or a spaceship, shut the fuck up, get lost, no favors, I wager, whatever you want, I ball.
Our turret is under attack.
I swore to defend justice and peace.
Gago, hindi pumunta sa babae Matilda.
Team destroyed a turret.
I can't turn my back on my comrades.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Taste the dragon's secret move!
Ano, muntik pa ako doon. Sa akin.
I'm seeing the goddess of
Team
victory.
destroyed a turret.
Oo, wala na sa meta to eh.
Shut down.
Mahirap talagang yan to guys. Mahirap i-damage to. Ayun.
An ally has been slain.
Ulat naman sa Cyclops, pre. Ba't gano'n?
Your team destroyed a turret. Initiate retreat.
The battle.
Tangina, outplay pa! Nga!
Our turret has
Ulat ni
been
Cyclops.
destroyed.
O may item lang. Nga. Nasaro ako, no? Nakasaro ko dun, ah.
The god of death doesn't seem to want me.
Launch attack. Attack the Lord. Mega kill.
Utang ina talaga. Wala to guys.
Has been destroyed. Your inhibitor turret is under attack. An enemy has been slain.
Ayun na pa ako dito, Foreman.
I can't turn
Yeah! Yeah! Di ba sipa? Yeah! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
I am a knight of a
Yeah! Huli ka, Balbon! Huli ka, Balbon! Oy! Pinasarap lang. Akala... Ah!
war to defend
Oh!
justice and
Ah! Dito, pre. Dito, pre. Dito, pre. Dito, pre. Takbo kayo dito, pre. Sa atin to, pre. Sa atin to, pre. Ito, Cyclops, pre. Kunin niyo yung ulti, pre.
don't
Wala,
ever
pre.
expect me to rest on my laurels. Time to move.
Lala, ano, pre? Lumubog na ata yung temper glass ko. Kakano ko sa sipa. Lumubog na yung temper glass ko, guys. Tangin na nagkapitak, pre. Lala. Nagkapitak yung temper glass ko, pre. Oy!
It's weird. Taste the
Gagawin pala
dragon's
dito, pre. Pwede ba to? O, Jeff, tangin ng grabe na yan, pre.
It is noble to battle for justice, but it is just as exalted to love someone.
Calling anybody out there, I think I really need some help. I really need some
Boss
help.
tayo, guys.
I'm the only one.
I'm not fighting
Launch
alone,
attack.
my dog.
Only myself, you don't know that my soul went missing. This is my solo mission. This is my
I gratefully
solo
accept
mission.
the loan of the Libra Club.
That my soul went missing. This is my solo mission.
Launch
This is my
attack.
solo mission. This is my
You
solo mission.
destroyed a
One
turret.
thing to talk about. They keep poison my plastic. Break plastic with plastic.
An enemy
Tangin na may
has
kasama, pre.
destroyed a turret.
Stop it now.
You have been slain.
But I love you.
Nga.
Whatever it takes.
Diba? Outplay! Inasar ko lang, pre. Tingnan mo, nako-comment lang to, pre. Sa akin pa yung, sa amin pa yung ano, pre. Hindi kasi napatay kagad yung Ranger, may kasama kagad eh. Palag niyan pre, 4v3. Good trade pa rin yan, min. Kasi kung wala pang kasama yung ano, wala pang kasama yung Ranger doon, nakapatay ko kagad yun eh. Sim, di ba? Good trade, good trade. Gaslight na eh. Ala na yan, guys.
The god of death doesn't
Boy
seem
pa
to
rin.
want me.
My bad.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Huwag niyo kasing dikitan, pre.
Ally has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret.
Ang lala.
Enemy double.
Tangina, play pa doon. Nabol na po kasi, guys.
Shut down.
Wala. Mapid na ako, men. Pero sa'yo nga na ba?
The only thing we had to free our mind. Then read that verse when we see dollar signs. You looking like an easy come up, you bitch. A silver spoon, I know you come from, you bitch. And that's a lifestyle that we never knew. Go ahead and rap it for the record. Holly Berry or Holly
Wala na, sinaniba na ni ano, pre. Prime Rene J, pre.
Launch attack.
The god of death doesn't seem to
Yun o, ramdam ko, pre, oh. Prime Rene J. Ito na, pre, oh.
An enemy has been slain.
money trees is the perfect place to shade.
Launch attack.
And dollar might just fucking made it.
Ally has been slain.
And dollar might
Ally
Tangina.
Initiate retreat.
just make that lane switch. That's just how
Ala, to. Tangina mo, may.
weird that I don't sense many cosmos here.
Wala kasi ang figure, eh. Wait lang, guys. Wait lang, diskarte lang tayo. Diskarte lang tayo, Fred. Diskarte lang tayo. Tangina! Nakatanga ako doon, pre! Ang lolo, ano yun? Oh my! Ay! Joke lang, pre!
Don't ever expect me
Puta
to
mo, pre.
rest on my laurels.
Oh, tangina!
Like a part of my body, I swore to defend justice and peace.
Tangina! O gago, ipapatay, pre! Bus na ata.
Shut down. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has
Nice
been
one.
slain.
Tara, tayo na to.
Our cosmos make the toughest arrow.
You have slain an enemy.
Ultimate
Double kill. Victory!
Smooth! Smooth! Smooth tayo doon, guys. W in the chat, guys. W in the chat. Last game, guys. Last game na. Renega Lulu. W in the chat, guys. Smooth! Tanso yung ikas na, tanso. Ano? Tanso ba ako? Hindi ko nakita eh. Golden na lang ako, pre. Golden ako. Nanigas daliri ko, pre. Money trees. Ang ina. Di pa last.
Please ban a hero.
Paluwa para. Salot sa'yo, Pascal! Salot, Shawi. Ito, Shawi. Bapa to, Shawi. Title lang kanta, Manitris. MM tayo, guys. Ay, pabanda ko nito. Yun na nito.
Your team is banned.
Koro. Hallelujah. Oh. Ano? Binangkipik na kakampi? Gago, di ko alam.
Your team is picking.
Akala ko ano eh. My bad. L tayo dun, men. Inasar ko lang, pre, para matrigger siya. Inasar ko lang yung kakampi ko, hindi ko pinagamit yung hero niya para matriggered siya. Para ayusin niya yung laro niya. Para magseryoso siya.
Magic is my life.
Tang inaharit pa. Kaya ba nang i-retail to, pre? Kaya nang i-retail o nang i-siya? Kari, no? Pwede kari. Kari kaya tayo, no?
Pick a hero.
Pwede ba kari dito, pre? Ano bang pronunciation nito? Isya.
Let's hear from the crowd. Make some noise for yours truly.
I am the power of light incarnate.
Eerie, best counter. Parang logi Eerie dito eh. Lalo kahit level 4 eh. Parehas 4.
Thorns remain. Should
Please
petals
pick a hero.
Ang likod mong kalaban. Logi Eerie dito, pre.
The falling stars brought us here. I've been raised with the enemy is picking.
The only thing we had to free our mind.
Nangangapel lang kasi ako eh.
You looking like an easy come up, you bitch. A silver spoon, I know you come from, you bitch.
Pwede na to, no?
That's a lifestyle that we never knew.
Brody.
Let's make the whole world green and lively.
Tell me what you do. Everybody go respect the shoe, but the one in front of the lives forever. The one in front of the and I've been hustling all day, this away, that away, through canals and alleyways, just to say, money trees is the perfect place for shade, and that's just how I feel. $8 might just you made, that's just how I feel. $8 might say the niggas that you came with, that's just how I feel. $8 might just make that lane switch, that's just how I feel.
Manitris yan, guys. Manitris. Pause muna tayo, guys. Speaker. Wala, hindi ako makapag-speaker. Bricks pa sabi, ano, hindi ako makapag-speaker. Wala na ako nang may sa live.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Sino kalaro mo lang? Tropa. Putang ina mo! Malag, laglag guys.
An enemy has been slain.
Laglag. Laglag, pre. Nakita nyo, pumitik. Pumitik yung daliri ko, pre. My bad. Pinakuha ko pa.
To be or not to be.
Launch attack.
Sinabihan na, pre. Turtle nyo kaya, nandito yung Florin, pre. Oy!
An enemy
Hindi ko na kaya to, pre.
slain. An ally has been slain. Speed, precision, and strength.
Focus tayo, guys.
An ally has slain the turtle.
Faster and faster. To be or not to be.
Kaya ba? Wala kang ulti.
Ult is not ready. An enemy has been slain.
Keep up the rhythm. One strike, one skill.
Out. May vengeance pa yan, pre. Tara palag.
Launch attack. An enemy has been slain.
Speed, precision, and strength.
An ally has been slain.
So, okay na ako na.
An enemy has not slain. Killing spree. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
You destroy the turret.
An ally has
Pause
slain
muna ako,
the
guys.
turtle.
Faster and faster.
Puta na, hindi pa na... Wala ito.
One strike,
Slain
one
an
skill.
enemy.
Speed, precision, and strength.
Mega kill.
Oy, pinatay nyo? Nag-shopping pa ako eh.
You
Sino ang 5v5? Sino kalaban na Kia?
Killing spree! Team destroy the turret! You have slain an enemy!
Boso sa game, pre. Sorry.
One strike, one skill.
Request match attack!
Faster and faster.
Your team destroyed a turret!
Keep up the rhythm.
An enemy has been slain! Monster kill!
Infinity daw after.
Double kill!
5 kami dito. Mali
Triple
pwesto.
kill! Shut down!
5 kami dito, Kia. Sige. 5v5. Kalaban.
To be or not to be.
Mega kill!
Tara.
Speed, precision, and strength.
Ult is not ready.
Map kakuni. Keep up the rhythm.
You have slain an enemy! An enemy has been slain!
Faster and
Double kill! Triple kill!
one strike, one skill.
Unstoppable! Your team destroyed a turret! Request backup! Request backup!
Kuya Kia, ano ba? Laro ba?
Slain Lord!
Nandito ka pa ba? Kung nandito ka pa, mag-send ka ng Galaxy. Mamaya na lang. Ala, hindi na ako lalaro. Mag-ayos pa ako ng gamit. Garapal. Not good. Garapal tayo dyan. Sorry. Saan. Garapal guys. Kunin mo na.
Mega kill! Your team destroyed a turret! Your team destroyed a turret! You have slain an enemy! Double kill! Your team destroyed a turret! Shut down!
Baba na. Labagan lang guys. Konti. Maya daw. Ayun lang.
Victory!
Shit. Ano lang ako? Busy ako eh. Ano silver pa ako dun? Lala. Mag-chat na lang ako. Sige, send ka pic ha. Send ka bid, saka pic.
Certified lover boys, certified pedophiles. I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor.
Utangin na, huwag na magpasalamat.
They not like us.
Sorry.
They not like
Mura
us.
pa ako.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
May piki ka? Bukas pa ata piki ko eh. 70 na ba tayo? Ganun pa din. Kaya ulit. Thank you guys. Love you all. Buti na lang wala akong timer, no? Ayun ako, may timer ako. Parang ulo ko dito.
Since 2009, I had this bitch jumping. You niggas would get a wedgie. Be flipped over your boxing. Over your foe. The other vaginal option. Pussy. Think about a straight leg posture. Now fingers all up in.
Paano mag-ed? Eh, gago.